Hey guys, and another update. This time I try, my challenge is to do it quick. We will see how it's going on. So, news, first of all, some readings. Just to show you some very good readings, I got one magazine, Tanganyika magazine, the last one, April 2020. And I just received, in fact, the Discus book. This is... So it's not some magazine, but it's not some real book, I would say. It's in between. It's a very, very nice finishing, if it's possible to say it, for some books. And if you want exactly the references, feel free. It's, as the title can tell it, dedicated to Discus. It's wild Discus, but not only wild Discus. For example, let's say the second one, still close. You have here it's expedition as well, but this one seems to be showing some very nice picture. I haven't opened it for you. Maybe next time I will display a little selection. So very happy. Thank you very much. It did come directly from Italia, and I was quite happy to find this number one back, that I could start the series go further. I don't know if you have all the magazine, and it's complicated to find it on internet, but in fact it's very easy when you contact the press directly, and very nice service. So feel free to do it if you are curious or interested. And I don't have any action or whatever, so it's pure neutral that I'm saying it. After that, if you have a look on Tropheus tank, you can see that it's open and that the secondary tank here is empty and disconnected of the water system. In theory, previously you get this one and this one plug here, and you can use the same filter and same water system to have it's not a quarantine tank, because it's connected to the rest, but if you want to have some other kind of fish, too small, for example, to stay with Tropheus and to not be disturbed, nevertheless to take profit of good water, you can have it. Or if for any good luck we could get some babies, Tropheus or clone, Eretmodus, it's already the case. We got one breeding and youngs, but I didn't get it on time, so I decided to build it in Acryglass, and you can see the result. To me it's not nice and satisfying enough, so maybe I have done something wrong. And what disturbed me more, this is in fact, I don't know if you can see it here, it's not so strong. It's with the Discus water temperature, maybe it's stronger. Here it's folding a bit, it's not flat. And this little breeding tank supposed to be hold this way on each side. When this is not flat, it's not easy at all to move them. So first, the reason to switch it for a glass tank, this is I don't trust this fusion called melding system here, or at least what I've done. Maybe from a professional it's good. And the second reason, it's also that I would like to get it smaller. So it's a 60 centimeter, I would like 50 centimeter, that I can keep all this maintenance volume easy it is right now. And maybe here there is something to optimize as well. So this is what's going on with the Tropheus. With the Discus, I don't know if the more observator of you already saw the division again in the tank. So you have all the group, 7 specimens here, 2 here, and this is because for the third time They are trying to be parent. And this time it's a lot of eggs. You see? You have the whole branch covered of eggs. And they started in the morning. And when I came back, get some eggs. So we will see this time, the third time, on another driftwood with another configuration, but with many little fishes as well. With more experience, no idea how they will succeed or not. We will see. And after that, I just prepare quickly what I used to give, what I started to give to, it's not El Catfish, this is Coridora. Help me, guys. This little catfish, yeah? Little catfish, okay. You have two, you are Corydoras meleni and Eneus orange venezuela. So sorry for the name if it's not a proper pronunciation. It's just that sometimes display or make me discover a new from Tropical. This is this one, and they're really motivated to go on this one. And this one, it's another product, but I'm really wondering if it's correct. For it's a lot of sea garnelen, shrimps and so on. And you have the composition here, it will be easier, okay? But it's, you see, it's very small and stay on the surface, so the other fish really like it. It's not a big deal, but I think it's not suitable for Coridora. So I will more put them on the secondary tank over there, for example. It's a little pieces, very protein. It's perfect for the El Catfish to grow. And the filter is not taking all the stuff like this one. This one you have a kind of skimmer, very efficient on the secondary emergency overflow. And when you put this, it's over, it's go inside. So that's all, guys. I guess I haven't did it too short. Sorry, but I thought that I can give info directly this way. Hope everything is going fine. Ciao.